Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to delete send friend requests on Facebook in iPhone. Now let me show you. Open your Facebook, update your app. First in the corner can you watch three lines, those here, and now can you watch my feed option is friends. But if you don't find friends here, you need those in see more and find here. Now open your friends and then you can watch your friend requests. Those here, but this is when the other people send requests for you. Now you can watch your friend request that you send. In the corner can you watch 3 points, those here, and view send requests, those here, and then you can watch your friend request. Okay, if you want delete someone, you can touch in example Ale Ruiz cancel request, Carmen Corrales cancel request, and this is all. It's so easy and really fast. Okay, sorry for my bad English. Have a good day and see you later.